Good morning, students. Yesterday we are learned practice set 5.3. In practice set 5.3, we are seeing some problems. Today we are going to learn practice set 5.3, question number 3 and 4. So let's start problem number 3. So whatever it may be that can be seen on a screen. Determine whether the following points are collinear. So what is meaning of collinear? Collinear means all the points having on a same lines. So if all the points having on a same line, then that points are called as the collinear. Means all the points having on a same line, then that points are called as the collinear. But it is about when you draw the diagram, there we have know that whether it is collinear or non-collinear, whether it is collinear or non-collinear. So if in this problem means point A is given, point B is given and point C is given. So there are the 3 points given, so that 3 points are collinear or non-collinear. How can you know? We can find out the slope of AB and we can find out the slope of BC. So after finding the slope, if the slope is same, then they are collinear, and if the slope is not same, then they are non-collinear. So it is very simple. Means the slope of the points are AB line and slope of the BC lines. So the slope is same, then they are collinear, and slope is not same, they are the non-collinear. So here is A points coordinates are given here. So see, it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. Okay, so y2 minus y1, this is the formula for slope, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is the y2? Y2 is 1 minus y1. What is the y1? Minus 1. So that is right into the bracket. Then x2 is 0, so I write here 0, minus x1. So what is the x1? Minus 1. So that is right into the bracket. So 1 is remain as it is. Out of bracket negative sign. So this minus 1 become plus 1. So 1 plus 1. How many it is? 2. So here I write 2. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 1 become plus 1. So 2 upon 1. So here is we can write such a way. If someone is don't understand, I will again explain it. Y1 minus y2. Sorry, y2. This is the y2 minus y1. So y2 is 1. So I write here 1 minus y1. So y1 is minus 1. So it is right into the brackets. Then x2 is 0. So I write here 0 minus x1. So x1 is minus 1. So I write here minus 1. So 1 out of bracket negative side. So minus 1 become plus 1. So 1 plus 1 2. So here is I write 2. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 1 become plus 1. So 2 upon 1. So slope of line AB is equal to 2. So here is you are getting slope of line AB is equal to 2. Then we want to find out slope of BC. Slope of BC. So it is y2. Y2 is 3. So I write here 3. Y1 minus y1. Y1 is 1. So 3 minus 1. Then x2. X2 is 1. So I write here 1. Minus x1. X1 is 0. So I write here 0. Okay. So 3 minus 1. What is remain 3 minus 1? 2. So here is write 2. Then 1 minus 0. What is remain 1? So that 1 is divided to 2. What you get? 2. So answer is 2. So slope of AB is equal to 2. Slope of BC is equal to 2. So slope of AB and slope of BC both are same. So slope of AB and slope of BC both are same. So they are a collinear. So the point A, B, C are collinear. Very simple that you can only find out the slope, and if the slope are same, then they are collinear. Then we are going to see the another problem. In question number 3, it is the sub questions, that is the 2 given to you. D is the point given minus 2 minus 3. E point is given 1 0 and F point is given 2 1. So here is there are the D, E, F that points are given. So that points are collinear or non-collinear, that you want to find out. So first we can find out. So first we can find out slope of D. Afterwards we can find out slope of EF. So slope of D is equal to what? So slope of D is equal to y2 minus y1. y2 0 minus y1 minus 3. x2 1 minus x1 minus 2. So out of bracket negative sign. So minus 3 become plus 3. So here is 3. Out of bracket negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So 1 plus 2. So here is out of bracket negative. So minus 3 become plus 3. So here is 3. We can write 3. Then 0 plus 3. Are you understand how can get plus 3? Because out of bracket negative. So minus 3 become plus 3. So 0 plus 3. Then out of bracket here also negative sign. So minus 2 become plus 2. So 1 plus 2. So 0 plus 3 what you get? 3. 2 plus 1 what you get? 3. 3 divided 3. 3 ones are 3. So you are getting 1. Anyone doubts here? How can you get the slope of D? Are you understand? Then we are finding the slope of EF, whatever it may be. So slope of EF you want to find out. So see, this is y2. y2 is 1. So I write here 1 minus y1. So what is y1? 0. So I write here 0. Then x2. x2 is 2. So I write here 2 minus x1. x1 is 1. So I write here 1. So 1 minus 0 what is remains? 1. And 2 minus 1 what is remains? 1. So 1 is divided 1 what you get? 1. So the slope of D is equal to 1 and slope of EF is equal to 1. So slope of D and slope of EF they are same. What is it? 1 1. So if the slope are same equal, that means that DEF are collinear. So here is we write DEF are collinear. Anyone doubts? Then we are going to learn next problems in this sub questions 3. So this is L.25, M.33, N.51. So L point, M point and N point, these 3 points are collinear or non-collinear, that you want to find out. So first we can find out slope of LM and slope of MN. So if the slope of LM and slope of MN are same, then they are collinear, and if the slope are not same, they are non-collinear. So x1 y1, x1 is 2, y1 is 5, x2 3, y2 3. So slope y2 minus y1, 3 minus 5, x2 3 minus 2, such a way. So here is write the slope. So slope of line LM is equal to y2 is 3, so I write here 3 minus y1 is equal to 5, so 3 minus 5. Then x2 is 3, then x1 is 2, so 3 minus 5 what is remains? Minus 2. 3 minus 2 what is remain? 1. So minus 2 upon 1. So 1 is divided minus 2, what you get? Minus 2. So slope of line LM is equal to minus 2. Then you want to find out slope of line MN. So slope of line MN is equal to what? So slope of line MN is equal to, there is y2 is 1 minus y1 3, 1 minus 3. Then x2 is equal to 5. Then x1 is equal to 3. So 1 minus 3 not possible. So what can we do? 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to what? 2. Give bigger number sign minus 2. 5 minus 3 what is remains? 2. Bigger number sign plus 2. So see, 3 minus 1, here is 3, 1 is positive, 3 is negative, sign are not same, so we are subtract. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, bigger number sign minus 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 is divided minus 2, you are getting minus 1. So slope of line LM is equal to minus 2 and slope of line MN is equal to minus 1. So slope are not same, not equal, so they are non-collinear. These points are not a collinear. Not collinear means non-collinear. Okay, then we are going to learn another problems. P points 2 minus 5, Q points 1 minus 3, R points minus 2 3. So see, this is x1 2, this is y1 minus 5, this is x2 1, this is y2 minus 3. So when you are taken these two, then first is x1 y1, second is x2 y2. And if you say taken this QR, then it is x1 y1, and this point, suppose this is qr, you are taken qr, you want to find out the slope of qr, then it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. So first we can find out slope of pq. So slope of pq is equal to y2, y2 is equal to minus 3, minus y1, y1 is equal to minus 5. So I write here minus 5. Then here is 1 minus 2. What is it? X2 minus x1. X2 is 1 and x1 is 2. So my out of bracket negative sign, minus 5 become plus 5. So minus 3 plus 5. And 1 is positive, 2 is negative. Sign is not same. Subtract. 2 minus 1. What is remains? Minus 1. So 5 positive, 3 negative. Sign are not same. Subtract. 5 minus 3. What is remain? 2. 2 upon minus 1. So minus 1 divided 2. What you get? Minus 2. So slope of line PQ is equal to minus 2. Then slope of line QR is equal to what? That you want to find out. So see, this is y2. y2 is 3. So I write here 3. y1 is minus 3. So it is written in bracket minus 3. So y2 minus y1. y2 is 3 minus y1 is minus 3. So write into the bracket. x2 is minus 2. So I write here minus 2. Then x1 1 minus, so minus 1. So out of bracket negative sign, minus 3 become plus 3. So 3 plus 3 6. Minus 2 minus 3 sign are same. So we are doing addition, and whatever be their sign, that sign is given to them. So minus 3 we are getting at denominator. So see, out of bracket negative, minus 3 become plus 3. So 3 plus 3. Minus 2 minus 1, sign of both number are same. So answer must be, we are doing addition. So 2 plus 1 3, and whatever be their sign, that sign is given. So it is minus 3. So 3 plus 3, what you get? 6. 6 divided by minus 3. 3 2s are 6. So you are getting minus 2. So slope of line PQ is equal to minus 2. Slope of line QR is equal to minus 2. So the slope are same. So they are equal. The slope are equal, minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So point PQR is a collinear. Do you understand? So these are called as the collinear. Then we are going to learn problem number 5. R point coordinate 1 minus 4. X point coordinate minus 2 2. T point coordinate minus 3 4. So whether these R, S and T, they are collinear or non-collinear, that you want to find out. So first it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. When slope RS, then such a condition. When slope ST, then it is x1, it is y1, it is x2, it is y2. Okay, so slope of RS, y2 is 2, minus y1 minus 4, so it is minus 1. Then here is the x2 is minus 2. Then x1 1 minus 1. So out of bracket negative, so minus 4 become plus 4. See, out of bracket negative, so minus 4 become plus 4. So 2 plus 4. 2 is negative, 1 is negative. Sign of both number are same. So we can do addition. 2 plus 1 3. So here is 3. And whatever be their sign, minus. So I give minus 3 there. 2 plus 4 6. 6 divided by minus 3. 3 2s are 6. So slope is minus 2. So slope of line RS is equal to minus 2. Then slope of line ST. So slope of line ST is equal to y2. y2 is equal to 4. y1 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2. Then minus 3. x2 is a minus 3. So I write here x2 minus 3. Minus x1 is equal to minus 2. So here is I write minus 2. 4 minus 2, what is remain? 2. Out of bracket negative sign, minus 2 become plus 2. So here is 2 upon, this is plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, sign are not same. Subtract 3 minus 2, what is remain? 1. Bigger number sign plus minus, so it is given minus. See, minus 3 out of bracket negative, so minus 2 become plus 2. Here is plus 2, here is minus 3, sign are not same. Subtract, so 3 minus 2, what is remain? 1. Bigger number sign minus. Minus 1 divided 2, then you get minus 2. So slope of RS is equal to minus 2. Slope of ST is equal to minus 2. So slope of both the lines are same. So they are collinear. R, S, T are collinear points. Anyone doubts? Then this is the question number 4. This is the question number 4. A points coordinate 1 minus 1, B point coordinate 0 4, C points coordinate minus 5 3 are vertices of triangle. Then find the slope of each sides. Okay, so you have to find out slope of each sides. So triangle having how many sides? 3 sides. So we want to find out slope of 3. So first slope of AB. This is slope of AB. So y2 is 4. So I write here 4 minus y1 is minus 1. So I write in bracket minus 1. Then divided by x2 is 0. So I write here 0 minus x1 is 1. So I write here 1. So out of bracket negative sign, minus 1 become plus 1. 4 plus 1 divided by minus 1. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 divided by minus 1. Minus 1 divided 5. So you get minus 5. So slope of side AB is equal to minus 5. Then slope of BC is equal to, you want to find out slope of BC. So it is y2 is 3. So I write here 3. y1 is 4. So I write here 4. 3 minus 4. Then x2 is minus 5. So I write here minus 5. x1 is 0. So I write here 0. So see, 3 minus 4 sign are not same. Subtract. So 4 minus 3, what is remain? 1. Bigger number sign minus 1. Minus 1 upon minus 5. So see, minus 1 how it is? 4 minus 3, 1. Bigger number sign minus, so 1 give negative sign. Minus 5 minus 0 minus 5. Both having negative sign cancel. So slope you are getting 1 upon 5. So the slope is not same. It is minus 5. It is 1 upon 5. So slope are not same. So now if one of that slope is find out. Then last slope AC you want to find out. So 3 out of bracket negative sign, minus 1 become plus 1. 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 1 4 minus 5 minus 1. Sign are same. So addition 5 plus 1 6. So here is 4 upon minus 6. So 3 plus 1 4. So here is 4 upon minus 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. So 2 upon minus 3. This is the slopes of side AC. So slope of side AC is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So see, slope of AB is equal to minus 5. AB is line sides slope. Then slope of BC is equal to 1 upon 5. And slope of side AC is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So if you are observe, AB slope minus 5. BC slope 1 upon 5. AC slope minus 2 upon 3. So each and every side slopes are different. So if the slope are not same, that means that sides are not equal. So all sides are not equal. Oh, that triangle is called as the scalene triangle. So it is a scalene triangle. Okay. So right there, that is the scalene triangles. So I taught the question number 3 and 4 to you. So I hope that all of the students are understand it very easily. So whether you are understand or not understand, that can be checked with help of the homework, and that only one problem is given to you to find out the homework, and that is you want to find out whether the A point, K point and N points, they are collinear or non-collinear. So AK is equal, if the slope of AK is equal to slope of KN, then it is collinear, and if slope is not same, then it is non-collinear. I hope that all of the students are understand it. So please like this channel, share and subscribe this channel. If you are subscribing, then your friends which is having in another divisions and another schools also, so you can share this video with that your friends and say to them subscribe it. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and study hard. Bye.